Hey plant lovers, welcome back to Eureka Farms. Today's a little different. The skies opened up and we're soaking in some much needed rain. But even on a wet day, the plants don't stop growing and neither do we. So come along with us. Rainy days on the farm are honestly kind of magical. The air is thick with humidity, and the plants, they absolutely love it. You'll see leaves glistening, soil soaking it all in, and new growth practically pushing through as we speak. Good drainage is everything. Our fields are designed to handle heavy rain without waterlogging the roots, because while rain is great, soggy soil can be a problem if it doesn't drain. That's why we use raised rows, smart planting zones, and some natural slopes. Rainy days shift the rhythm. Instead of watering, we're checking for pooling, monitoring young plants, and making sure that nothing gets too overwhelmed. This is also the best time to inspect leaves. Rain brings pests out, so it's easier to spot early issues. Some plants don't just survive the rain, they thrive in it. Ferns soak up extra moisture, keeping their foliage lush and vibrant. Elephant ears spread wide, almost made to catch every drop, and tropical palms embrace the rainfall just like they would their native jungles. So that's a glimpse of what a rainy day looks like here at Eureka Farms. For us, it's a chance to slow down and watch nature do its thing. Don't let a little rain stop you. Sometimes it's when the most growth happens. If you enjoyed this behind the scenes moment, give us a like and a subscribe for more plant-filled videos. See you in the next one!